So I just kind of want to talk through this run here. Figured I'd kind of do a voiceover and we just hang out for a few minutes. This is just a super cool spot. If any of you were watching that video a couple videos back with Jay and Garrett, I made the comment about how I fished that area a couple of nights earlier after some rain and it was really colored up. Well, check out this watercolor. The visibility is not nearly what it was a couple days later when it really cleared up. So I'm just working this section here. Obviously there's these big snags coming across the river. I don't mind getting too close to the water here because again, the cloudiness, it's got some color to it. So the spook factor isn't that bad because those fish are just going to kind of sit between and behind those rocks. And, you know, I'm not going to really put them off by being where I'm at when the watercolor is muddier like this. And this is relative, right? This river, when it's clear, it's crystal clear. So just enjoying this, just working the rod tip, kind of changing up my presentation. Basically, I'm kind of working the different lanes. I try to start a little bit closer, and then I work further out to the far bank. And this is a pretty heavy fly. I'm kind of doing a mix of swing and stripping. You'll kind of see, I'll just kind of let that go a little bit. I want that to get down a bit there, and then I'll just put some motion on the rod, just change it up a little bit, twitch it around, pull it in. Right here on the next cast or so, there's the surprise, right? I wasn't expecting that fish. Wow. Of course, my net is nowhere to be found. As always is the case when you're fishing without the net. And of course, when you have the net. That's not entirely true. I've been doing a better job. But this is a really nice one, you guys. And so I'm going to say goodbye here. But enjoy. This is a cool release. And just an awesome fish. A really, really fun evening. Just working that run and just the very end there at the dangle or the hang, that thing crushed it. Wow, that was even bigger than the others, I think. Jeez, bro.